Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you pineapple drink. So you're definitely gonna need pineapple. This is 2 pounds of pineapple fruit, sugar, ginger. Ginger is optional. Visit JAMAICADinners.com for the recipe. Now this is what I would do if I was about to peel pineapple to make drink. Now, to make sure you remove dirt and any hidden insect, do what I'm doing. Get a brush. Brush between the grooves of the pineapple fruit. This is a bit extreme, but like I said, this is what I would do. After that, drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar into the water. Get a bowl. Add enough water into the bowl. Use your hands and your fingers. Rub the pineapple skin clean. Get between the grooves. Wash pineapple properly. Do what I'm doing. After that, give pineapple a final rinse. It's best if you do this part under fresh running water. Cut 1-inch piece ginger. A piece big as the first pen of your finger. Wash ginger clean. Give it a final rinse. Peel ginger. The peeled pineapple should weigh about 1 pound, between 1.5 pounds. I'm gonna peel this pineapple a little bit different. If you wanna see me peel pineapple Jamaican style, go see how to peel pineapple like a Jamaican. Peel cleaned pineapple fruit. This is the way a factory would peel pineapple. Get a sharp knife. Put pineapple upright on a chopping board or a clean surface. Hold the pineapple fruit firm with your left hand. Use a sharp knife in your right hand. Cut from the top down. Remove the pineapple's skin. Cut in the pineapple 1/8 between 1/4 inch to remove the skin. Do this until you're finished. Do what I'm doing. It's easier if you use a knife like this. This pineapple peel is from another fruit I peeled earlier. Therefore, for this recipe, we are using 2 pounds of pineapple fruit. After peel, the peeled pineapple should weigh about 1 pound, between 1.5 pounds. Cut off the bottom of the pineapple. Cut off pineapple stem. As for what you do with the fruit, well, we just slice the fruit and give it to the children. We then slice the fruit and eat it. You could mix the pineapple fruit with other fruits to make drink. That's another drink idea for another video. Next, get a clean stewing pot or saucepan. Add peeled pineapple pieces into the saucepan. Next, boil pineapple pieces. Pour 6 cups water into the saucepan. Now, turn the stove on. Put the stove's gauge on 4 medium-low. Use the pan's lid. Cover pan properly. Allow. Boil the pineapple skin pieces between 15 minutes. This is after 10 minutes. Once it comes to a boil, you could turn the stove off. Once I remove the lid, I am smelling pineapple fruit's aroma. This is what it looks like after 10 minutes. After time, turn the stove off. Allow it to cool. Keep the lid on and let it stay for a while. Let it stay between 3 hours. Look at the pineapple peel. It's as if the juice is seeping out. Not only that, by doing this, it softens or break down boiled pineapple skin more. After cooling, get a blender ready. Get a clean bowl ready. Get a fine mesh strainer ready. And to strain this drink smooth, get a clean, big enough piece of cloth ready. After allowing the brew to sit for a while, this is what it looks like. Now it's ready to blend. Once I remove the lid, I am smelling pineapple fruits aroma. And after letting it stay for a while, the aroma got stronger. Pour boiled pineapple fruits and water into the blender's jar, proportion by proportion, if you cannot blend it all. Use the blender's jar lid, cover jar sealed properly. Oh yes, add piece ginger into the blender, and remember, ginger is optional. We could just use sugar to sweeten this drink. Blend it between 3 minutes on high speed. After blending, pour blended pineapple skin and water through the strainer into the clean bowl. Allow it to drain. This is the second proportion. Add it into the blender and do the same thing. I should have told you to cut the pineapple peels small pieces. You see, you can hear it jamming the blender somewhat. So it's best if you cut pineapple peels smaller pieces before you boil it. Anyway, I'm not gonna disappear. All you need to do is to just edge the blender. Just turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. By doing that, you're breaking up the pieces before it starts blending. Pour this final proportion through the strainer. Put a spoon in the strainer. Move it from side to side. Separate the fiber. This will allow the liquid to flow freely. By doing this, it allows the liquid to flow freely. Use a spoon. Press on the mash, removing remaining liquid. To remove the remaining juice, do what I'm doing. Use your hand. Make sure your hands are cleaned before you start making any drink. Use your hands and fingers, grab a hold of the mash and squeeze it. Remove excess mixture, removing remaining liquid. Although you can drink pineapple drink anytime it's available, anytime it's in season, pineapple drink is traditionally a Jamaican Christmas dinner drink, along with sorrel drink. Finished. Throw this away. Get a fine mesh strainer. Strain mixture 2 or 3 times smooth. Between each time after straining, wash the strainer clean. Some people like their drink thin, meaning they like their drink with as less fiber in the drink as possible, especially men. Some woman could never give them men or husband drink and it has too much trash in it. It has to be thin. Some men like it that way because one of the things, I don't know if it's true or not, but one of the things in Jamaica we believe is that when too much trash is in the drink, it will give the man them stoppage of water, prostate cancer or whatever, I'm not sure. Women, if you make pineapple drink this way for your man, he will love you for life. To get the drink very thin, meaning with less fiber in the drink, use a clean cloth. Place it over the strainer. Pour your mixture through the cloth, through the strainer, into a clean bowl. Do this couple times. Squeeze mash that's in between folded cloth, removing remaining juice. And then finished. You may strain it twice through the cloth. Look at all this trash. Next, sweeten mixture. Measure and add 2 cups sugar. Measure and add 2 cups sugar. I'm using brown sugar. You could use granulated instead. Stir drink in. Stir drink until you do not feel sugar grain on the bowl's bottom while stirring. This is sweet enough. However, taste it to see if it is sweet enough to your liking. Look how clean and smooth this pineapple drink is. To store pineapple drink, pour it in a jar. Use the jar's lid, cover it properly. Keep it in the refrigerator 3 no more than 5 days. By using ginger, you preserve the drink. By using ginger, it helps to preserve the drink. That is, to keep it fresh longer. Pour drink into a clean bottle like this. Freeze it 6 months up to a year or more. Note, it's not wise to put warm or hot liquid in the refrigerator. So allow it to cool room temperature before putting drink into the refrigerator. Not only that, but your drink will go bad faster, or your drink will spoil faster if you put it in the fridge when it's warm or hot. This is sweet enough. However, to get a fresh enough drink, add half the amount in water, starting with quarter the amount in water. Taste it first, see if it's sweet enough to your liking before you add the half amount in water. This is a poem, you know. Pineapple drink is best served cool. Stir in drink well before serving. This is pineapple drink. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try making this drink yourself. Give us feedback when you do. Pineapple drink from Cookbook, Jamaican juice drinks. The way how I made this pineapple drink, you will love it. This drink is so nice. Using the ginger just made it perfect. First, the flavor is refreshing. There's a comfort that flows through your body drinking pineapple drink. This is a tropical drink indeed. I don't know, while drinking this, I just thought of Hawaii. Hawaii. I can bet whole heap of pineapple grows in Hawaii. The ginger does not interfere with the flavor. It kind of gives it that 5% tanginess. Remember, ginger is optional. You could just use sugar. The flavor of a pineapple drink is very unique and original. No other fruit that I can think of will have a flavor near as pineapple. However, orange, grapefruit, stuff like that might be similar in flavor. That citrusness kind of has that citrus essence. Alright, until next time, bye. Yeah, man!